Hello. Today I wanted to talk to you about your final project in world history. It is worth 100 points. Instead of taking a final exam, you'll do a final project. So, very first thing, and we're going to do this in class first day of the project, you are going to choose one of the countries on the list of countries. Once a student claims a country, no one else can have it. So I have, let's see, out of the numerous countries on the continent of Africa, I have 15 listed. So you'll choose one of those and I'll add your name to the table for the one that you claim. And then you're going to use the internet to create Google Slides. And you can see in Canvas where I actually have the slides started for you. You just have to continue creating the slides and turn them in right there. So the slides are already created for you in the actual assignment posting. I have broken this down. There's 5 things you'll do for this project to make sure you include in the slides. So I want you on the first day, now these dates of course will change from year to year depending on when I have the class. So you're going to complete these 2 things on Friday. Give me at least 2 things people would want to do that travel to your country. So let's say your country is Zimbabwe. Give me 2 things people should do if they vacation there, okay? And then give me like the weather and the climate for that country so people would know that are traveling there. All right, and then the second day of the project, which for us will be on Monday, you're going to include local plants and animals, and then what is the physical geography of the country like? Are there mountains, are there plains, like fields, are there lakes? What's happening there? Desert. And then the final part, are there any safety concerns for travelers? All right, and that takes us to the last day when the assignment is actually due. So your slides should include also at least one map of the area, so like a map of that country that you chose, and the slide should be easy to read. And of course, your slide should also include photos of the things that you talk about. It doesn't have to be every single thing, but each slide should have at least one picture. And then just use color, which you will be because you're creating this electronically, but sometimes we've done this on paper. So right here at the bottom where it says click to view the scoring guide, this will show you the 4 categories that get scored. You'll get effort. So like, did you look like you planned this out and it was, a good effort? And it goes all the way through that. Creative. So your creativity, and part of that has to do with, did you use pictures to show what you were doing? Did you use like an interesting font or colors and things like that? Backgrounds for your slides. Requirements and directions. So did you follow the requirements and directions? And to what level did you follow them? And then content. Did you demonstrate that you understood the country and the things that you were talking about in your slide? All right, that is your final project for world history this semester. Let me know if you have any questions.